we are going to compare two lists given in this Excel sheet. The first list contains the teams names, and the second list also contains some of the teams names. Now we are going to check whether the names which are in the first list are available in the second list or not. So for that, if we see Control F, that is find and replace option, it will be a tiring job, but Excel makes our job even more easier by using the conditional formatting. What we have to do, click the home tab, the home menu, then come to conditional formatting. Here we have a new rule option. So before that, we have to select the first list. The list starts in the A3 cell and then it goes up to A20 cell. So select the first list. If you want to compare whether the names available in the first list are available in the second list, then go to conditional formatting, click new rule, click use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here you have to type the formula, that is type equal to, then type COUNTIF, and then type second list, second capital L list, comma A. Here the value starts with A3, so A3, and then close the bracket, type equal to 0. This is the formula. After that, if the names are not there, in which format you want to see, I mean those values which are not in the second list should be highlighted with a particular color. So for that we have to click the format option, then the fill option. You can select any color of your choice. I am choosing this color, then click OK, then click OK. So now you can see in column A, that is first list, A3, A17 and A18, Miami, Atlanta and Tennessee, these names are not available with the second list. So this is how we can compare two lists and check whether both the lists are the same or any names are missing and so on. If you want to see the second list, now we have compared with the first list. Now you want to see whether the names appearing in the second list are matching with the first list. So for that the same procedure, only minor modifications required in a formula. Now we have to select the range from B3 to B22, the list goes. Go to conditional formatting, click new rule, then use a formula, then again type the formula, that is COUNTIF equal to COUNTIF. All the formulas in MS Excel starts with equal to symbol, so please type equal to, then type COUNTIF. COUNTIF is the condition, then type FIRST, first list, LIST, capital LIST, then type B3 because the values are starting with B3 column, type B3, then close the round bracket, type equal to 0, then click the format in which color it has to be highlighted. I'm selecting this color, click OK, click OK. Yeah, see these names like Atlanta Falcons, Denver, Arizona, Minnesota, Pittsburgh, these names are not available with the first list and rest of the names are matching with the first list. So this is how we can compare two lists by using the conditional formatting new rule option. So here there is an error in the formula, I am correcting it. It is B3 and A3. Thank you.